Hey guys, this is Anna from Hustle Got Real, and I am very happy to announce you that our non-API version is finally here. I would like to explain you step by step what to do in order to start using our non-API version for eBay dropshipping. So the first step is to download the new monitoring extension, and you only have to click in the link provided. You will access this screen here, and you only have to click on Add to Chrome. You have to accept the terms and conditions, and that's it. The new extension looks like this. Is this blue box here. This extension is for monitoring your non-API eBay store. Just for monitoring, not for listing. I will explain you now what new extension you have to download in order to list. Once you have downloaded the extension, you have to create your non-API channel. You have to access the link provided in order to create the non-API channel. You have to log in with your Hustle Got Real email address, choose the country you want to list on, and then click on eBay non-API. You have to enter your eBay username and click on link Hustle Got Real. And that's it. You have to make sure that you're logged in both eBay and Hustle Got Real, and you can check this by clicking on the new extension. The name of your eBay store here means that you are logged in Hustle Got Real, and here you must see a green check in order to prove that you are logged in eBay as well. So you can click on login if you are not logged in already. So once you are logged in both eBay and Hustle Got Real, you can continue with the non-API program. Please note that you can access options in order to enter the email address where you want to receive all the eBay notification and messages here. So edit the frequency update in your listings. As a default, your store will be updated every 6 hours, but you can edit this as you wish. You can access this again by clicking on options on your new extension box. Once you have downloaded the new monitoring extension and you have created your non-API channel, you have to download the new lister extension. You also have a link provided for this. You access the link provided and you also click on Add to Chrome. In my case, the extension has already been downloaded, therefore it's already here. It looks like this. It's a green box similar to the other extension, but in this case, it should be green. So, how to list a new item using non-API version? As always, you have to enter suppliers site and go to the item that you want to list and click on the new green extension button here. The same as you have been doing until now. The item specifics will pop up. You have to fill in your item specifics and click on submit, and that's it. Your new listing will be published. Please make sure that you enter your PayPal email address and your location under settings channel in order to list. You go back to the lister, you go to settings channel, and you will be able to enter your location and your PayPal email address here right at the bottom of the page. Otherwise, you will not be able to list. And once again, please note that this new extension, the new lister extension, will work only for the new non-API version. If you want to list using the eBay API, as you have been doing until now, you have to use the previous extension. Just to remind you that this is a beta version, therefore we welcome all the suggestions you may have. Any feedback you may have will help us improve the tool, and you can contact with every doubt, question, or whatever you need, and we will always be very happy to help you. We hope you really enjoy the new beta version and have a very nice day. Bye!